Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about a very important concept in software testing, that is positive and negative testing. These two types of testing plays a major role in ensuring the quality and reliability of an application. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's start with positive testing first. Okay, so actually, okay, so positive testing is also known as like in simple word, in simple words, it is done to check if the application behaves as expected when given valid and correct inputs. Like the main purpose of positive testing is to verify that the system does what it is supposed to do under normal conditions. Okay, for example, if there is a login page, okay, if there is a login page, positive testing would involve entering a valid username, okay, and password, and checking if the user is successfully logged in. We use the requirements of business scenarios to design these test cases. Okay, if all the inputs are valid, the application should respond with the correct output. This ensures that the basic functionalities are working properly. To summarize, positive testing is like confirm that the application behaves correctly when everything is done right. Now let's move to negative testing. So negative testing is also called as unhappy path testing. It is performed to check how the application handles invalid input or unexpected user behavior. For example, on the same login page, what happens if we enter a wrong username or password, or leave the field blank, or enter special characters that are not allowed. The main aim of negative testing is to ensure that, that the application doesn't crash or behave abnormally when the wrong data is entered. Okay, it helps find the defects that might not be caught through positive testing. Negative testing is very important because in real life users might make mistakes, so the application should be strong enough to handle such situation gracefully, like showing proper error messages or preventing crashes. So it's a conclusion is if you will look onto the screen, here I have mentioned two key points. That is like for positive testing, it's simple one. Okay, I just want to make this video as simple as I can. Okay, so positive testing is like check the system if with valid data, okay, to ensure it behaves correctly. Okay, so it means that we will do the positive testing in such a way, we will just enter the requirements that is given by the client only. Okay, like we will check those test cases, we will make those test cases only that is as according to the requirements given by the client. Okay, now negative testing is like checks the system with invalid data to ensure it doesn't break and handles errors properly. Okay, so like this is the all that's the all concept. Okay, uh, it's not very much uh, we can say difficult, okay, to understand it. And it is the most important, one of the most important asked question by the interviewer. Okay, most of the time you will got this question like, will you please elaborate, or will you please define the positive or negative test, or will you please describe the difference in between positive and negative testing. Okay, and the interviewer can ask you the examples also for this for this question. And believe me, it's a very important question to and please get it ready for the interview, and please prepare for this question. That's the very important thing. So thank you very much for watching. And if you want if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and if you want to uh, if you want me to make any video, any further video, or any specific topic, then you can please comment out, or you can just comment out, right? Yeah, so thank you everyone, thank you students, thank you all. See you in the next video. Thank you.